Finland is one of the few European countries still offering free work visas and sponsorship jobs in 2025, especially for international workers without a degree. In this video, I'll show you the jobs currently hiring, the benefits that come with them, who can apply, and how to submit your application directly. Finland's population is aging fast, and they're facing a major worker shortage in sectors like manufacturing, cleaning, logistics, and construction. To fill these gaps, the Finnish government is actively supporting companies to hire workers from abroad, meaning more visa sponsorship opportunities than before. High-demand job sectors. Let's look at the areas where foreign workers are most needed right now. Warehouse and logistics, pickers, packers, forklift operators, and inventory clerks. Factory and production, food processing, packaging, and machine operators. Cleaning and maintenance, residential, office, and hotel cleaning roles. Construction and labor, assistants, plumbers, electricians, and general helpers. Hospitality and catering, kitchen assistants and dishwashers. All of these roles are open to international workers, and most require no degree, just basic English communication skills and a willingness to work. Salary expectation. The average salary for these jobs ranges between €2,000 to €2,800 per month, depending on the role and experience. Many companies also provide accommodation assistance, relocation support, and sometimes paid training when you arrive. Visa sponsorship and eligibility. To qualify for a Finland work visa with sponsorship, you must have a valid job offer from a registered Finnish employer. Meet the minimum age of 18. Have basic English or Finnish language skills. Show proof of sufficient funds for your travel and settlement. If your employer is officially registered under Finland's Certified Employer program, they can handle your visa sponsorship directly through the Finnish Immigration Service, Migri. The Finland work visa process and duration. Here's how the Finland work visa process works. 1. Receive a job offer. Once a Finnish company hires you, they'll provide an official employment contract. 2. Apply for the residence permit for employment through the Enter Finland website, te-palvelut.fi. 3. Submit your biometrics. You'll visit the nearest Finnish embassy or VFS center to give your fingerprints and sign your application. 4. Wait for a decision. The Finnish Immigration Service, Migri, usually processes first-time work permit applications within 1 to 3 months. 5. Once approved, you'll receive a residence permit card, valid for up to 2 years, tied to your employer, and renewable if you continue working or change jobs in the same sector. This process is completely online for most applicants, and your employer can assist with supporting documents. How to find these jobs, step by step. Here's how you can find and apply for these jobs safely and correctly. Step 1. Visit these job portals. te-palvelut.fi, Finland's official employment portal. Search for keywords like warehouse, cleaner, or factory worker. Jobsinfinland.fi, it lists verified employers offering visa sponsorship to foreigners. europa.eu, which connects you to employers across Europe, including Finland. Step 2. Once you find a job, prepare a simple European format CV and cover letter. Highlight your work experience, reliability, and readiness to relocate. Step 3. Apply directly on the company website or via the official portal, never pay any agent or third party. Tips for success. Focus on entry-level roles, they have the highest visa chances. If you've worked in logistics, food service, or maintenance before, make sure it's clear in your CV. Keep your email professional, employers do check. Watch out for scams, all legit job links will be shared in the video description. Finland is one of Europe's most stable and peaceful countries, and this 2025/2026 hiring push is a real chance to start a new life abroad, even if you don't have a degree. Check the job links in the description, apply early. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.